what's going on, you guys? I hope you all have an amazing day. I'm filming this currently just after my yesterday's video. So, today we are doing a little experimenting. Now, don't get butthurt on this. Don't like report this video. Don't tell me to take it down because it's ruining vape industry. This is an experiment. I used to actually, you guys are gonna hate me for this, okay? I used to, when I was in high school, I would sell people vape juice with syrup in it. With syrup in it. I know, I'm bad, okay? I'd mix syrup, water, and vape juice, freeze it, and then sell it. People knew, but they still use it now. When I went to go sell a 60 ml of it, I actually used it. I got sick after, I got a sore throat, I had a fever, but I'm gonna try it again today just for a video purpose to see if you can actually use it. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Now, I got two syrups here. I don't know how to actually pronounce it, if it's syrup or syrup. I say syrup. People make fun of me, but whatever. Now, I got butter flavored syrup right here. What's in it? What's in it? Glucose, liquid sugar, water, natural and artificial caramel color, sodium, benzoyl. Okay, glucose. What's in the other one? This is just light. Same thing. Which one smells better? Ugh. That one smells like shit. They both kind of smell funky. Let's just use the normal syrup. Okay, now this coil that is on my dripper is still absolutely disgusting from last time I did this. People said they love these videos, so I'm gonna bring them more, baby. I don't care, you know? If people love the videos, why not keep coming? You know what I mean? Keep bringing them. So, let's try this out. Put it in the squonk. I don't understand what's going on. Did I do something wrong? Cool. Scared the shit out of me. I thought it blew up. That stinks. Okay. Oh! I spilled everywhere. What the fuck? Comes out so fast. I got it all in the lid, so I might as well use what's in the lid. Okay, that's taking too long. This dripper is so gross. I don't want it to come out that fast. Okay. You can see it in there. Oh, wow. Let's send it back, dudes. Oh! That is fucking disgusting. Oh! Wow, man, that is gross. I need some fucking water, man. That is... I've never tasted something so bad. It's stuck in my... Hell no! Oh, that's awful. That was disgusting. I'm gonna try it one more time. I might puke. I feel like I'm gonna puke. Bruh. Hell no, bro. Hell no. Don't do that. It stinks, man. Oh. Can't vape syrup. Well, I guess you can vape syrup, but I mean, that's if you're fiending, you know. That is gross. Oh my god. Do not try that at home. Okay? You can if you want, but like, I didn't tell you to. That was disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I might puke. Oh, my nose is just running away right now. My god, I can't even get this back piece back on, never mind. Now the last time I did them, I think it was a Starburst one. Those videos were trashy. But when I walked away, I almost passed out. Like I had tunnel vision. It was so weird. I've never felt like that ever. Man, these dogs are just going ham. Little trick. If you wonder ever why I look over there, it's because that's where the viewfinder is, and I'm so ugly I just stare at myself. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. These little experiments are short, but I'm gonna try to figure another one out today, and I'm gonna do it because that vape is still ready to go. But that was absolutely disgusting. Do not try that at home unless you want to. But here's the syrup I used. But anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, drop a big thumbs up on it. Subscribe if you're new. Comment something down below. Check the links. Check the links down in the description. And have a good day. Peace out, guys.